Hi, this is Mark with Rent Portland Homes by Darla Andrew. If you're a homeowner and you're renting out your property, there's some key things that you need to know how to go about renting the property, finding the best people for the property, and even showing the property as well. Enlisting the services of a property management group such as ourselves can really help you with those challenges. One of which is we have a program which is Appfolio. This works as a partner development for marketing with groups like Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads. We also post your property on Craigslist and keep those updated on a daily basis so that we get the most marketing possibilities for your home. And it's always updated so it's at the top of the list for every day of the week. It's also helpful to have up-to-date photos and a video walkthrough for your home so people can view this, as we do get a lot of people who are moving from out of town and can't come to see the home in person. When scheduling showings for your home, it's always best to schedule multiple people for the same time period, maybe staggering them every 15 minutes. That way you get the most people coming to your showings, but at the same time you still know who is coming to your showing so you're not caught off guard. When arriving to the property, the best thing to do is turn on all the lights. Make sure doors are open. Sometimes open up a window to let a fresh breeze into the home. Last thing to note is to always be available by phone for people to call you inquiring about your home. If you have any questions about any of these aspects, feel free to give us a call at 503-515-3170.